Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks to plan for Christmas week. And I am using stickers that finally arrived in the mail after the Canada Post strike. I ordered some Christmas stickers from the Giving Girl as well as According to Ali. According to Ali, still hasn't arrived yet and probably won't arrive in time for Christmas, but that's okay because the Giving Girls arrived. So there's a few things I want to use here. This is the Home for the Holidays 2 sheet and it's just so cute. I might use some of her watercolor washes, maybe some of this holiday plaid washi, and definitely some of these houses. All right, let's get started. I think the first thing I want to do is actually put these houses down at the bottom, like the big ones. But I also want to put this down. But this is like one big sticker. So I don't know what the best thing to do with this is. Like maybe put one like strip down the side. Ooh. To do that though, I need a ruler. I need a little X-Acto knife thing here. And I also need, where's my pen? Oh, pens. You'd think I would know how to get stuff ready. I apologize for this bruise on my arm. That looks lovely. I ran into a door handle. Like, you know when you get your pocket stuck in a door handle? And that was my arm instead. Anyway, okay. So if I'm going to put the houses down here, I have to basically cut it right here. And I'd rather cut it than, rather than just spread it around. Where are my scissors? Here we go. Very organized today. But I think, just from what I'm looking at, I'm gonna have to cut it right by the snowman. And I like to cut these ahead of time because it just makes it easier to be able to put them down. Okay, do I want this washi right underneath? No, let's do this. Okay. Oh, yeah, see, if I did this as one long strip, I would probably wreck the sticker. Okay. Oh, it's going down without me, okay. All right, so put that down there. And then this here. Okay. This is the hard thing though about cutting it, is making sure that they line back up. When you put them down. I'm actually really glad you can't see my face while I'm putting these down because my face is just like, Oh, how cute. That is adorable. Then I think with these, I almost feel like it would be too much to do that. Oh, and look who decides to come in, Lucy. I'm thinking, what's the best way to do this? Oh, I know, now you want to come in my... Okay, so before I do anything with that washi sticker, because I think it's slightly intimidating, I'm going to just draw in the lines for my to-do list. Although, I can't imagine having much of a to-do list this week. Well, oh, now that I've said that, I feel like I've jinxed myself. Ooh, that's okay. So this pen is the Majon A1. I haven't done a review on this yet, but I am actually loving it as kind of like my quick draw planner pen. Okay, then do I want to put it across the top? I don't know, this is a tough one. And I do want to use like this massive sticker, but I also like these. I feel like I'm gonna save this for the weekly highlight spread, which I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that in another video. But I feel like this big Christmas tree, like this is tough because I don't necessarily want to put anything down here because that interferes with the lights. So maybe let's just put this down. And oh, it's going down. Just put it down. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Then I can put, where are my tweezers? Why can I not? There it is. Very organized here today. Let's do, but I almost feel like if I put her here, I can still put to-do lists here, right? Oops, right. But I also want to place some of this decoration around here. Ooh, that went down without me wanting to put that down there, but that's okay. Then this probably put here on Christmas Day, and then put this on, I say put this on the Saturday, on the Friday. Actually, either one of those might work. Yeah, just put it down. Oh, that's pretty. Then I have these quotes wrapped up, surrounded by love and joy. Oh, there's a few. I like these sticker sheets from the Give and Go because they're perfect for a spread like this. There we go. Oh, I'm actually going to put the two quotes together. I like that. Whoop. Oh, I like that. Okay. Then, oh, a few of these lovely little stars, which I'll definitely put around the spread. I really like these journaling stickers, and there were so many to choose from. So, where are they all? There's one here. I feel like I'm enjoying really decorating the Hobonichi weeks, because when I used to use this, it was very, oh no, I don't want to put that there. It was very functional for work, and it's definitely different to how I'm using it now. Any more stars? Yes. But I've loved playing around with this format. Any more of those little stars? Okay, I have 3 of these stickers. I want to do my, what do I need to do? My gosh, my brain right now. Before I put these down, I'm going to put in all of my functional things and then go from there. So first being the weather. That's not the weather stamp. The weather stamp is this one. Where's my iPad? I've just had a look at the weather for Christmas week, and it's actually not too bad at all. So I'm trying to be better about where I place this stamp. Oh, that's not bad. Like partly cloudy. And then Tuesday is cloudy. And then Wednesday is sunny. Christmas Day is supposed to be sunny. Oh, I love that. And then Thursday is cloudy because Christmas is over. And then Friday is partly cloudy. So when I do partly cloudy, I do sun and then the cloud on top. And then Saturday is cloudy. And then Sunday is partly cloudy. I love that. That looks so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, and these stamps are from AliExpress. I love them. I don't feel like I'm gonna use like the thunder too much, but you never know. Okay, so then putting in the weather. Goodness gracious, I am a mess. Putting in the weather for the week. So we have Monday, it's supposed to be, the high is supposed to be 2 degrees. And the low is -6. And I'm just gonna say, partly cloudy. cloudy. Then Tuesday, the high is also 2 degrees with the low -7, and it's cloudy. Although saying that, I say that Christmas Day is supposed to be sunny, but you have no plans to really leave the house that day. And the high is supposed to be 1 degree Celsius, and the low is -5. We might take a lovely walk that day, actually. Thursday, the high is -1. The low is -6, and it's cloudy. I apologize if you're not a big fan of me putting down the weather, but I think I love looking through. And then Friday, the high is 0. The low is -7, and it's cloudy. And then Saturday, it's getting cold again. The high is -5. The low is -10, cloudy. And then Sunday, the high is -5. And the low is -11. Cool. All right, so now I want to try something different here. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to try this and we'll see how I feel about it. It's not an exact match, but yeah. So I'm just going to write priorities for this week, and then underneath that I will have my sleep score, and then my workouts. And let's move this over so I can do that. So sleep, and draw in my sleep score graph. I really appreciate having these all on the same page because I open this planner every day, and having these here to look at every day is really helpful for me to actually fill them out, because I'm not normally a tracker person. It's like I need a habit tracker to motivate me to track my habits, if that makes sense. Okay, and then underneath I'm going to do let's see here, vitamins, my audiobook, and the nighttime. So those are the things that are important to me at the moment. And then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. People have asked about that R. That R is all the way from university. And I can't seem to shake that habit of writing it as an R. Don't know why. All right, and then habits. Okay, all right. I know many people have already done the paper test already. Yeah, no bleed through, a bit of shadow. Not bad at all. So that was my Tombow with my Majon A1, and that has Diatramentis Document Ink Black in that. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and write in my work shifts. This is my newest pen, my Walltown pens in the Onslow Brass, and that is in the Strata Quartz. So then for work, I'm working Monday and Friday this week. And then 4:30 Christmas Mass. And then Christmas Eve with family. And then Christmas Day, I'm just gonna actually just write Christmas Day. And then Boxing Day. And then that's gonna be dinner at my parents' house. And then Friday, I am working. It's back to work. It's gonna be such a weird week. Saturday, am I still? Okay, Saturday, 11 o'clock with Deb and Adrian for coffee. And then Sunday, the kids have their last ninja and badminton. Robin is moving on to something else. And then funny enough, Henry is moving into a badminton. Okay, and then the to-do list. Actually, our Monday this week is garbage day. And what I have to do today, or this day, oh, I really hate how I did this now. I have to meal plan, order groceries, and then Tuesday, I actually probably have to fold laundry that day too. And then Tuesday, nothing yet. I'm not adding anything really to the list for the rest of the week that I know of. But then I know Saturday will be clean the bathrooms. And my husband will do the vacuuming and the windows. And then we'll get the kids to help with other stuff. But yeah, it's a very light week on a to-do list scale. But that is that for now. Now I can add the last couple of stickers here because I feel like there is a little bit of room. Yeah, let's add this here. It's gonna go over the house, but that's okay. And then there isn't going to be enough room for this girl, unfortunately, but that's okay because I'm going to add her in a different spread. All right, let's just clear this out here. Oh, that is it for me. I really love this so far. I'm loving how functional it is for me. I love being able to still decorate. Yeah, I'm probably still in the honeymoon phase of this, but I'm really, really liking it. Have you guys started your 2025 planners yet? Let me know down in the comments below. And I'm really excited to start my journaling for 2025 in my new journal. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. The next video that I'm gonna do, which will be coming out this Thursday, is gonna show you how, just a quick preview here, how I use the notes pages in the back as like my little highlights journal. I'll show you that as well. All right, again, that is it for me. Thank you all for watching and have yourselves happy holidays, a Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Take care, have a great day.